We'll move to part 7 now. Sorry, part 6 now. This is section 6.3, some constructions of triangles continued. We are continuing with the same section of chapter 6. In the last video, we drew a triangle given its base angle, sum of two sides through geometric constructions by perpendicular bisector method. So in this video, we will be doing the same thing, but instead of perpendicular bisector method, we will be using equal angles method. So same thing. Okay, what is an equal angles method? Let us see. This method requires physical measurement of two angles. So in method 1, that is perpendicular bisector method, whatever was given angle, that is base angle, that angle B was given. So we measured angle B, we drew angle B through by using a protractor. But here what we are going to do, or we can, there also we could have used, if it is 60 degree, we can use the construction of angle 60 degrees. But suppose if some other angle is given 42 degrees, 34 degrees like that, then it will be difficult. So we will presume that there we used protractor for measuring one angle. But in this equal angles method, we are going to use protractor for two angles. So because of this accuracy will be slightly lesser than method 1. Because there only one angle was measured using protractor. Here we are going to measure two angles using protractor. So let us see when we move forward. So now I have told you the difference between method 1 and method 2 and which is better and which is slightly inferior. We cannot say which is best, but that is slightly better than this, because there only one measurement through protractor, here two measurements through protractor, two angles. So let us move forward and see how it is. So same thing, I'm going a little fast in these places. This first page is exactly same as method 1. So you drew a line BC, then took angle from there, use protractor, took angle, whatever is given angle, and then drew a line, drew a ray P, and then there with this page is over. So we have, this page is exactly same as method 1. So I am going forward to page 2. This point is also same. We are cutting an arc, that is BD equal to AB plus AC or BA plus AC, and then again next point is also same, join CD. So up to this, both the methods are exactly same. So now you can pause the video and draw all these 4 points and then proceed for the 5th point. Okay, good. So all of you have drawn the 4 points. First 4 steps you have drawn. Now let us go to the 5th step. Carefully watch 5th step. Draw a line from C to BD to intersect at A. So from C we are going to draw a line to BD to intersect A. When it is intersecting, we are going to mark it as A such that angle ACD equal to angle ADC. Okay, so ACD, A is going to be on BD, that means ACD and ADC, that is this, A is going to come somewhere here, ADC, and BP, can see BDC, both are going to be same. Let me draw the angle, you will know. So this is the angle, this is going to be angle ADC. When we draw the line, we will understand perfectly. Measure this angle, and then with the same angle come to the point C with protractor and take an angle exactly same angle as BDC. So this angle, and then draw a line and mark the point A. So now what happens? Angle ADC equal to angle ACD. So this is the second angle we have measured and we have marked. Although we are measuring one angle, but since both angles are same, we can consider we are using two angles in this method as against one angle in the perpendicular bisector method. Now join BA to form triangle ABC. So like earlier we have got it, now got the triangle, and in the next page we are going to see the proof. Now you can pause the video. There are only 2 additional steps when compared to the previous one. There Point 5 was, step 5 was perpendicular bisector. Here step 5 is equal angles. So that is why the method is called equal angles method here. There it was called as perpendicular bisector method. Now after you finish this, you can go to the next page. So we are going to see the proof. Again, initially everything is going to be same as method 1. Since we started with two sides of BA plus AC equal to BD, without knowing the location of A, we have to check whether it is true even after locating A on BD. The same points. Now here, where there, through perpendicular bisector, we were able to prove that two triangles are congruent, and from that we made two CPCT. But here we are not using the concept of congruence and CPCT. Instead, we are using equal sides or equal angles theorem. You remember, in isosceles triangle, where two sides are equal, the opposite angles will be equal. So here we are going to the converse of the theorem. Since two angles ADC equal to ACD, automatically AD equal to AC. As we saw earlier also, if ADC is there, you can skip D. So opposite to ADC is AC, and ACD opposite to ACD is AD. So AD equal to AC. So I will put the dash also for you to understand. So these are the two sides which are equal. So exactly we made these two sides equal through congruence and CPCT in the case of perpendicular bisector method. Here by way of isosceles triangle method or equal angles method, we drew equal angles and then made two sides, opposite sides equal. So by which we are able to come to the same conclusion as in perpendicular bisector method. So now you can pause the video and note down the steps before moving forward. So same, now everything is same. BD equal to BA plus AD, two parts of the same line. Replacing AD with AC, BD equal to BA plus AC. Therefore, the above is true even after locating A on BD. The same point, everything. Thus, proved triangle ABC is the required triangle. So the only difference in this step is instead of perpendicular bisector, you have to, the two differences. One is the construction differences. Instead of perpendicular bisector to CD, you make an equal angle ADC and measure, and then the same angle at point C, draw the line CA. So you get that line. Then the second difference is the proof. Instead of congruence rule and CPCT, here we are using line sides opposite to equal angles are equal. These are the only two differences. Both methods are more or less otherwise same. So you can use any method in any questions, unless specifically any question says use only this method, you can use any one method. There is nothing wrong because we are not much bothered about the accuracy while doing these constructions. The objective is you should understand clearly. So now we will move forward. So note down everything. If you have doubt, go back to the previous part also, part 5 also, and part 6. You can compare both the parts. You can make your own notes in your notebook so that you understand the differences between these two also very clearly. So in this video, we drew the same similar triangle but using equal angles method. In the next video, we are going to draw one more triangle through geometric constructions. When we go to the next part, we will know what is that concept and what method we are going to use. Now questions. All simple questions only. Here we will have two more questions. Note down, pause the video, note down all these questions and then go to the next page. Then we'll go to the next page. Here we have got two triangles. Now as I was telling you, in case during construction if you have not got the triangle, probably the length or the angle may not be matching with the triangle. So no problem. Now you take these examples. Example 6, we have got BC equal to 7 centimeter, angle 75 degree, then AB plus AC equal to 13 centimeter. So 3 parts are given here. Similarly, in question number 7, right angle. So you know what is right angled triangle. So the angle is given, base is given, and hypotenuse is given. So that means what hypotenuse plus the other side is given. So one base is given, one angle is given, some of the other two sides are given. So you can construct triangle based on this. What you can do is, for your better understanding, one of these you use perpendicular bisector method, the other question you use equal angles method, so that you will be able to understand both the methods quite easy, and it will be easy for you when you go forward for the further parts of this chapter. That's all for this video. Thank you.